myself DN Verma. Welcome to my channel Biology by Verma sir. In the previous video, I have described introduction of life processes. In this video, I am going to describe different types of nutrition found in organisms. So, we shall start with types of nutrition. How many types of nutrition are there? There are basically two types of nutrition, but here I will describe three types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition, heterotropic nutrition, and the third one, mixotrophic nutrition. So first of all, I shall explain autotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which organisms synthesize their own food, either involving sunlight or without involving sunlight. So, whether the sunlight is being involved or not being involved, this autotrophic nutrition is further of two types: photosynthetic nutrition and chemosynthetic nutrition. In photosynthetic nutrition, sunlight is utilized, and in chemosynthetic nutrition, sunlight is not utilized. So, what is photosynthetic nutrition? Photosynthetic nutrition is a type of autotrophic nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food from simple inorganic compounds like CO2 and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and synthesize complex organic compound, that is glucose, and O2 is released as a byproduct. So here sunlight is being involved. Now, chemosynthetic nutrition. What is chemosynthetic nutrition? Chemosynthetic nutrition is a type of autotrophic nutrition in which some organisms synthesize their own food without involving sunlight. So, chemosynthetic nutrition is found in some bacteria and zooplanktons. Most of the zooplanktons show chemosynthetic nutrition. Chemosynthetic nutrition, example of chemosynthetic nutrition is in sulfur bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, and iron bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria synthesize nitrite from ammonium ion. They synthesize nitrite from ammonium ion and further oxidize the nitrite into nitrate to get energy. Sulfur bacteria are found at the bottom of the sea where thermal vents are found. These thermal vents release hydrogen sulfide, and the sulfur bacteria use this hydrogen sulfide to synthesize their food and get energy. Similarly, iron bacteria use iron compounds to get energy. Here, light or sunlight is not being involved. Now we shall go to heterotropic nutrition. What is heterotropic nutrition? Heterotropic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which organisms do not synthesize their own food. They get their food either by killing some other organism or not by killing other organism. When they get their nutrition by killing organism, it is called holozoic. When they get nutrition from other living being, it is called parasitic. And when they get from dead and decaying matter, it is called saprophytic nutrition. So we will first describe holozoic nutrition, which is a type of heterotropic nutrition. So holozoic nutrition is a type of heterotrophic nutrition in which organisms get their food from other living beings by killing them. This process involves, the whole process of holozoic nutrition involves 5 sub-stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. The first one is ingestion. The organism get their food by eating another organism, whether it is plant or animal. The ingested food is further digested in the body of the organism. So the next process is digestion. The digested food is absorbed by the tissues or cells of the organism. So the next process is absorption. The absorbed food is mixed up in the protoplasm of the organism, which is called assimilation. And the undigested food is removed out of the body. The process is called egestion. So holozoic nutrition involves 5 sub-stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now we will go to parasitic nutrition. What is parasitic nutrition? Parasitic nutrition is a kind of heterotropic nutrition in which organisms obtain their food from other organisms without killing them. The organisms that get this type of nutrition are called parasites. The parasites may be exoparasite or endoparasite. The parasites which reside on the body of organisms are exoparasite. The parasites which reside inside the body of the organisms are called endoparasites. So in parasitic nutrition, the organism get digested food, absorb digested food. What is saprophytic nutrition? Saprophytic nutrition is also a kind of heterotrophic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, organisms get their nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. This type of nutrition is found in fungi and many bacteria, which are also decomposers. Now we will describe mixotrophic nutrition. What is mixotrophic nutrition? When more than one type of nutrition is found in organisms, this type of nutrition is called mixotrophic nutrition. So the common example of mixotrophic nutrition is found in Euglena, which is a protozoa. Euglena is a unicellular animal, but it also contains chloroplasts. So it can also synthesize its own food or get nutrition by holozoic nutrition. As Euglena utilizes 2 modes of nutrition, it is a mixotrophic nutrition. In this video, I have described types of nutrition. In my next video, I shall describe nutrition in human being, that is holozoic nutrition in human being, and nutrition in amoeba. Keep watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.